Hello everybody, this is Dedra with Papercrafts and Planners, and today I have a haul video for Fun Stampers Journey / Spellbinders. If you placed an order, and I can't remember the dollar number of the order, but if you placed an order, you received a card kit of the month for free. I don't think that offer is still ongoing, but this card kit's still available at a really good discount, and most all of the items I'm going to show you are available and on sale still. They're having a great summer sale, so it's a great time to check them out. But this card kit that I received is the Express Yourself, and I've kind of laid out some of the pieces. These are the die cuts that you receive. You get this really pretty doily, love that. Some butterflies, this reel, so cute. A bunch of florals and leaves, and some are gold foils, some are watercolors. And each piece you receive, you're going to receive 2 of each one, so which is nice when you're making maybe a bunch of cards. You want things to kind of coordinate. Some more leaves. I mean, there's just a ton of flowers in here. Really like this one. Some cute, I hate to say cute when they're bugs, but some insects. Go with those. Some dogs running. I love that. One's like a dark, maybe they're both dark green, but one looks black to me. Then you get all of these different word strips that say things like love you, no other dad like you, capture the moment, good things. This one's really cute that says memory lane. Love those. So a bunch of things like that. There's a car. There's this moon. See if I can get that picked up. Look at that. That's cute. A couple of hellos. Really pretty detailed, thin detailed. Oops, not looking at that yet. Looking good. The story so far. Some bicycles. A couple of mason jars. This one says I love you every day, and it's foiled. Celebrate whenever you can. There's this, it looks kind of like an open locket. It says I heart you. Some of these bigger sentiments, you are, snapshots, our life. Cute. There's a bunch of these gold stars. See that? A stack of teacups. This says family fun, and I think that's like a cutting board. I don't know why it would say family fun on a cutting board, but it's cute. And there is a ruler. And then this I think is a slide ruler. Forever Friends, you've got the little dog bone dog tag. And then you have a couple of clocks. Always have courage and be kind. This to me looks like a door, and these pieces will pop out. These inside pieces, if you wanted to use it without those. This is a window, and again, these pieces inside the frame will pop out. A couple of rocket ships. I mean, there's really a variety of stuff in this. Stacks of books. There are, of course, 2 of those are stuck together. Tales of Adventure, Here and Now, A Happy Life. And I think this Express Yourself is like $20 and some change. There's a scarf, some rain boots, and an umbrella. Camera. Home is where you are. It's pretty. Okay, then it comes with some chipboard stickers. Always these card kits do. Find the joy in every day. This moment is more precious than you think. Hello. I love that envelope. It says thanks. There's a couple of postage stamps. Hot stuff in a thermos. That's cute. Here's a mason jar with the fireflies in it. Classic. Yes. And this one you can pop out and use each piece separately if you want. So there's 1, 2, 3 different pieces. You are one of a kind. There's a little dog there. Paperclip. Look at that truck with the flowers in the back. It's so cute. And these are photo corners, or you could use them as arrows. A ruler, timeless, grateful, sending good thoughts from me to you. Some luggage. It's all cute. Okay, there's a die set. There's always a die set. This one says, oh, that's alphabet. So you can cut out letters. So it must be the whole alphabet there. Of course, they're backwards, so you cut them out. Oh, you've got some exclamation point, question mark, a slash, an @ symbol, hashtag, ampersand, really cute. Here's some leaves, some flowers, there's the rest of the alphabet. And then this I think is made to be a frame. And then these are the slats that would go in. You know, one of those letter boards? That's what this can make. So that is the die that comes with it. You always receive some double-sided tape and some foam squares. Oh, see, here it is. They put it together here. Isn't that pretty? Hashtag Eat Sleep Craft. So cute. And then here's some other ideas of what you can do. There are 10 card bases and 10 envelopes. There is a paper pad, and there's going to be 2 of each print. So let me just kind of flip through it really quickly and hope my light is not adjusting each time, which probably is. I'm still trying to figure out the lighting and the camera settings that go with the lighting that I have in this room. But it still wants to adjust all the time on me, and I'm trying to get it not to. Haven't figured it out yet. Oh, I love that watercolor. And then they repeat. You're back to the butterflies. Here is the stamp set. Lots of sentiments. I think they're really cute sentiments. There are some glitter gems here, the flat-backed ones that are sticky. And then you receive a bunch of paper. So you have a dark blue, gold, green, brown, white, light pink, burgundy, that must be an off-white, and a gray. So those are nice too. And I think that's it. That's what you get with the card kit. I think that is quite a lot. Right now, like I said, I think it's on sale for $20. So it is still available, this card kit. You may not get it for free, but that is a great deal for everything that comes inside of this. Now, how did I get the card kit? I purchased some other things. So let me show you what I purchased. First off, some embossing folders. Let me get a piece of white so you can see. This one is called Love Stripe. You can see it a little better, I think, when I put something white in there. Isn't that pretty? It's just a really nice neutral background. This one's called Water and Wind, or Wind and Water, one of those. And it's got these swirls. So you could see this could be the sea, this could be the sky. Really pretty. Glimmer foil plate. This one is called Polka Dot Strip. All these things were on sale. And you could see where you could do a repeating pattern with this glimmer foil. This one is called Frame Details, and it's actually 2 pieces. You get the falling leaves and then this frame also. Really pretty how they've put that together. This is a die cut. It says it's a die cut, emboss, deboss stencil. Really pretty, that joy. All the different greenery that goes with it. There's an example of what they did. Okay, this stamp set. Look at that. Let me show you on the back so you can kind of see the size of each of these pieces. And they had a die that went with it, and both were on sale. I can see this with some pop-up cards. So the die cuts out the bicycle, the tree, the kite, and the little wagon. And then it also has a couple of extra pieces. It has this archway and this little hill piece that you can do. That's going to be really cute. And then I already had this stamp set, but it is on sale right now also. This is Cup of Tea. And anytime I can get a die to help me cut out a stamp set, I'm all over it, especially if it's on sale. And then this, I already have that stamp set also. It's like a multi-seasonal. And here are the dies that I just picked up for that. Okay, now the rest of what I purchased is paper. And let me show you. This is like the 3rd time I've tried to do this video, so let me get this a little bit organized again. This is one of my favorite paper collections from Fun Stamper's Journey, and it is called Good Life Prints. So you receive 6 prints, and there are 4 of each, and they're all 12 by 12, and that's a really good deal. So here's this first one, and on the back is this blue check. Really pretty. That's one. And then here is this chicken wire, and on the back are these chickens. And this color is called Fresh Sage. That the chickens, I think that's just pretty. And there's a wood grain, and on the back of the wood grain is this print. It's gorgeous. And then you've got this yellow check, golden yellow, I'm not really sure. And this fall floral. So 4 of those. I think there are like 2 more prints. This one, the pink gingham with a floral on the back. It's really pretty. And then you have this blue stripe with my favorite floral on the back. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I hope you're getting as pretty as it is. It's got the sage green and then the blues, just really gorgeous. So those are the Good Life prints. Those are still available as of the time I'm filming this video. So I will link for that and on sale. And I purchased just some packs of paper. So I purchased they don't have a lot in 12 by 12 anymore, but I love Fun Stampers Journey paper, and they have their black licorice and their whipped cream. And then they had this pack, this variety assorted pack. Their 8.5 by 11 papers are 85 pounds, and they are just some of the nicest paper ever. And so here, I'll just kind of fan them out so you can see the colors that come in this variety pack. Just really pretty. This lemongrass is one of my favorite colors. And oatmeal cookie, orange dreamsicle. I don't know all of them off the top of my head, but this burgundy is a pomegranate. This is pansy, I know. Summer days. I'm pretty sure this is sweet pear, and then watermelon fusion. So I miss this one on the top is beach breeze, and then the brown is cocoa powder, and the dark blue is huckleberry fusion, in case you're wanting to know the colors. But this is what I purchased, and it really, oh, I forgot one other thing, and it's probably going to cause you to go blind with the glare, but they have this Glimmer Trio, or Shimmer Trio they call it, and it comes with a chunky silver glitter, this iridescent glitter that's a really fine glitter, and then a mirrored silver piece, and I really love those pieces to use. So I'm really excited to get to play with all of this, and if I come back and do something fun, I'll be sure and show you, especially with some of these new dies that I have to go with the stamp sets. It just makes you appreciate the stamp sets all the more, I think, when you get the dies to go with them and start playing with them. Thank you so much for watching, everybody, and happy crafting.